Hello everyone, welcome again to Muhi's Arabic lessons and 1 minute of MSA Arabic grammar. Today we're going to say another thing about the demonstrative pronouns, which is the plural of things. When I say a group of things, for example, group of cars, group of pens, how would I refer them? In English you just say these are men, these are cars, and so on. In Arabic, no. We differentiate between the the things and the humans in the plural. So we don't say هؤلاء سيارات, these are cars. We don't say that. We say هذه سيارات. So you use the single female to point out the group of the plural of things. So هؤلاء is only for human. The other one we use هذه. So if I want to say these are pens, I would say هذه أقلام. If I want to say these are cars, I would say هذه سيارات. And it doesn't matter the gender of the thing in the singular form. This is it. Hope to see you soon next time. مع السلامة.